So you can see here that the Ajax callback is making a call to a special Alpha 5 function called getCalendarEventsJSON. So this is a helper function. You could of course written your own Xbasic to get the data in this format, but this function is going to make it very easy to get the data. And this particular function just takes definition as an argument, and inside definition we specify these properties. The type, which is SQL, it could also be DBF, the connection string, the SQL statement that we would like to retrieve the data from. So in this case, instead of specifying a single table, which we could have, we've specified a select statement that joins order ID with the customer table. Then we specified the start date and the end date, and we've specified it in a form of year, month, date, so that the function is portable across different international locations. Then we specified which field contains the event date, which field contains the event ID, and which field contains the event name, and then finally which field contains the event description. So these values here, order date, order ID, event name, and event description, exist in our SQL query over here. And then we call this function, and it returns data in the format of a JSON string. So let's just go there and put a debug1 in so we can actually see the format that this JSON data exists in. So let's go there, and now you can see there's we've hit our breakpoint over there, and now let's examine JSON data. So here's what JSON data looks like. So let me just copy this to the clipboard and then go and paste it in over here. So what you can see over here is that here is the data for a particular month. This is August 1994, and the data has been returned to us in the form of a JSON object. So you can see there's the curly bracket start and then the curly bracket end, and then inside the JSON object we have entries that are keyed on the day, on the day that has events. So you can see on August the 4th there were events, and then those events are returned in the form of an array. So in this particular case, on August the 4th there was only one order. So there's the order data. So you can see there's the ID, the name, and the name of that particular order. So this is a JavaScript array, and inside the array we have a JSON object that describes the order. So both August the 4th and August the 5th only had a single order, but then on August the 8th here you can see here's our array, and in this case there were multiple orders. So there's the first order over there, and then the comma indicating the next item in the array, and then here's the JSON object for the second order, etc. So on any particular day there can be as many orders as you want, and they are returned in the form of an array. So this helper function here has just been designed to make it very easy to return the data from your underlying table in the right format. So this function is part of Xbasic now, and its sole purpose is to return the data from the query defined in this DEFN over here in the format of a JSON object. So let's go back to the script there and continue to examine it. So going back now to Xbasic, let's actually pause now and pick this up in the next video.